John Robert Ochen, ngesta pono dumna ake kwan. Imitas le dolote akwata uni awai, kotom na boisi na dabu Akinyang kikamuna ngesi. Arai tunga da chutlu e punoi. Ai lelebun kotom no sama ikalo. Ai tam airere ono. Kededa anyun isan luna alemner ake kwan kotom na da akipi. Itunga lui pukes da jasi ido arai ai turun ne polonoi kanukada amon akekwan tonda isawan luda adumner akekwan
atama zato na rena rato ndeno bu ko ku yeno bu apode ko sa kuna kiri ngeske na jeke mutu ngon apode ko sa kuna kiri do lo itu mori swaga mo ko kinga jay dong sibi ko kiri itiundo ko kene timbe e kam ngesa Akinyang elo sidola ikono ai reality bae bo bilulu ki bo kwe adu ba da Akinyang kama kina makenge acha kangisa kipira ona cheke aita mabai gobe moto kware jala kini mo bo peta jala kini asa kese kolobe oraundo iko kene ai noko del madumba dolo Akinyang dolo do ne chekela dolo ai akodo ngapuga ni gang kadongoda kapa atwa nyaren ko ina be ite gang kina puga nungaren wayina kanga gang ata na pira ngai jauna kwantu wale dolo nikini ngo are mamenga gugu ngopani bore na jai ngoda elo sile kwa nao mia ya moto kaya ngara tesore
konyona chekala atwan ngesda buki tetem kobala daibe sanle kamera ne kamera Akinyanga ona cheke ajai nges ida lososkes aumon akipi
kana me ko tumo kede pi tumo jerga manchele ko tieko na mare me ko do kede ido nyang make udanga popo da neno chien denete kokdo lego duru da chiel kene oko idi nyang do make an ngola ro chien awdo beto ko make de do ngane no chinga kene no do tetimere na aman kene inyang do tere
LC5 loko kalaki Samuel Okelo ngesalim daibe omona epone lokala engaran itunga loko kwap.
I did not know the team that was coming to assess. I was very interested. I thought this man is coming with the team to come and do you catch them or you?
No, we do catch them.
Yeah, so my prayer is for now what he's saying is not practical today. You see, the water around here is salty. All the boreholes around here, the water is salty. And they use this water. So they come here. And then when we fence, we now need to fence several places. Because this is only one place.
This is not a time of talking. It's a very sad moment that what really happened is really bad that we lost our beloved brother. To keep heart with what has happened and let us follow the appropriate procedure to see that the family, at least there is no payment for life, but to meet the required costs.
Talk to younger men that in that water body there are aquatic animals which are dangerous. While you are there, you must take care of yourself. Don't think of Uganda Wildlife Authority.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokalaki District.